Hello everyone. Now we will see some practical question of console.log statement. So our first question is, what will be the output of 0.1 plus 0.32? As per our expectation, it should be 0.3, but it is not so. The output will be somewhat like this. Let's see in our console. Okay, what I will do, 0.1 plus 0.2. See like this. So what will happen? For example, if I will write 0.1 plus 0.2 and I will write 0.3 as well. So it will return false. So that is the important point. Because it is the floating point number. That's why this kind of a thing is happening. With integer it is not. Okay. Now we will move to our next question. What will be the output of true plus 5 as a number, then as a string, and then as a true plus true and true plus false? Each and every one we will see now. True plus 5 first of all. So if I will write true plus 5, now the output is 6. Why? Because when we are putting the addition operator and the boolean cannot be added to the string kind of a situation must have occurred for the JavaScript. So what it did, it converted that boolean to a number first and performed the addition operation. For the minus thing, now we will see true minus 5. Yeah, it is coming in minus 4. Suppose if I will perform the same operation with the string, then what is happening? It is coming as true 5. Okay, again it is concatenated. Suppose if we will perform the operation with the like this minus 4. So at this time 5 is also converted and 2 is also converted. These all things we need to keep in our mind. True plus true, what will happen? 2. True plus false, what will happen? 1. So whenever there is a probability of not having the proper answer, so JavaScript is directly converting the boolean to the number first and seeing that whether we can perform this operation or not. If yes, then it is executing that operation. Now we will see our next set of question. For example, 2 minus 2 in the string. Okay, we'll see that 2 minus 2 in the string. Now the output is coming at 0. But same thing if we will do with plus symbol, then answer will be totally different. It will be 22. It is not 4. Okay, now suppose I want to make it 4. How we can do? Suppose one number is a number, another number is a string, and I want to make it 4. What we can do? Simply put one more plus before the number in the string. So this particular string number will not now be converted into the number. So with this, this particular set of question is now complete. In our next video tutorial, we will see the data types. That is very important part of an interview. So let's meet in our next question.